Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janvi. Today I've created this beautiful, it is so simple, just don't miss this out. It is so simple but it looks so gorgeous and grand and so beautiful. So if you want to know how I did this Rakshabandhan makeup look, do continue watching the video, but before that don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Before makeup, skincare is very important, right? So I've cleansed my face. This is a fresh cleansed skin. So for cleanser, I have used the Deconstruct brightening face wash, which is my current favorite, and it is super good for all skin types. Now I'm just gonna refresh my face with this Juicy Chemistry aloe juice. This is super good, calming and soothing to my skin. I feel my skin has revived now. So yeah, with the damp skin, I'm gonna go to the moisturizer step, and for that I'm using this Pond's gel moisturizer, which is the oil-free moisturizer, which is perfect for oily skin. So I'm gonna take the required amount of the moisturizer and massage it well. Yeah, that's done. I've already prepped my lips, and for that I've used this Glam's Candy Melts Lip Balm, which is my current favorite. It is super good light tinted moisturizer which is super nourishing to my lips. I love it so much. So now without any delay, let's go into the makeup step. So for makeup, first step is a primer, right? For that I'm going to use this Sugar's Base of Glory primer. This is a silicone based primer, so I'm going to use wherever I have enlarged pores and wherever my skin tends to get oily. I'm going to take a little, press it on the areas wherever I have enlarged pores and oily skin. So this is how mattified my skin looks right now, and it is prepped so well. So now this is gonna be a dewy glowy kind of a makeup look. So I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator just a tiny bit on my skin. I'm not gonna go too overboard with this, so I'm gonna just use this much. Press it on my skin. Can you see the glowy, dewy, pearly effect on my skin? And that's what I need. I'm not gonna use this illuminator on my nose and on my chin, especially where my skin tends to get oily. So yeah, my skin is prepped so well. Next, for orange corrector, yeah, it's a very important step if you have hyperpigmentation and acne marks. So for that I'm using this Pactate Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange. So I'm applying it on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And now blend it well with this beauty blender. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now let's move on to foundation. And for foundation, I'm gonna mix two foundations together, and that's the Maybelline Fit Me and Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. So yeah, this is a slight bit lighter for me, so I'm gonna mix this with this beautiful Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is a slight bit darker for me. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna dot it on my face. I'm gonna blend everything beautifully with this beauty blender. Can you see the perfect match now, guys? My base looks good now. Let's just cover my certain imperfections with the concealer first. Okay, so for that I'm using the LA Girls concealer in the shade Toffee or Fawn. Yeah, this is the shade Fawn. Now I'm gonna blend everything so well. Yeah, that is how the base is so flawless and it is so beautiful. So just highlight my facial features today. I'm going to use this Sugar concealer, and it is the Magic Wand concealer, and it is the last deep shade, but this is my highlighting shade. So I'm going to just apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin to highlight my facial features. Again, blend. Now this is called the perfect base. So yeah, the base is done. Now let's set everything with a compact powder. So today I'm going to use this takeover compact powder, and this is my current favorite, and I'm seriously obsessed with this, I would say, because it is super finely milled powder. The shade is perfect and the performance is so super good. Can you see the difference, guys? So this is what I've been telling about. So this is about the base makeup. Now let's move on to eyes. First, for eyebrows, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 eyebrow plus gel eyeliner. So yeah, here's a cute little eyebrow product. So I'm going to take a brush. Where is the brush? Oh my god, I got the brush finally. This is super damn pigmented, so be a little bit careful. Give a short strokes and you will get a full groomed, fluffy and natural looking brows. So I'll finish the other side and be right back. I'm back with my brows done. Now favorite part of my eye makeup is the eyeshadow. So now let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm pretty not sure of what to do today, but yeah, let's see. And for that, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical palette, which is my forever favorite, I would say, because it's my first ever eyeshadow palette that I've ever invested in, because it has such a beautiful set of colors, variety of shades, and you can do many variety of looks in this. So yeah, now let's get started. First, I'm gonna take this shade for the transition, which is perfect for my skin color, as you can see here, and blend it well on my crease. First pack and then blend. So this is easy and a very good blending technique. Next, I'm gonna work with this muted brown shade, which is slightly darker than my skin tone. I'm gonna just work it on the outer V of my eye. As you can see, I'm gonna pack it and then blend. So I've defined my outer V of my eye, and this is what I wanted. Now I'm gonna take this purple kind of a shade here, and I'm gonna deepen only the crease and my outer V. And I'm gonna slightly take it to the inner corner of my eye like this. So yeah, my crease and the outer V is so deep and it is so beautiful now. So it's not a half cut crease, but it's just like a half cut crease. So I'm gonna use this shade and just slightly apply it on the inner part of my eyelid. This is what I wanted, so I'm gonna just blend it slightly with this color, like in an angular way, like this. So this is how the eye look looks like. It's some kind of a fake half crease, I would say, but I like this look so much. My eyes look so defined and it's so beautiful, right? So now I'm gonna just apply the same purple kind of a shade on my lower lashes as well. So this is for my eye look, guys. Next, I'm gonna just take this Miss Claire pearl eyeliner, I would say, and just draw a slight little thin line on the eyelid. And that would really transform the eye look a lot. And this is the first time for me, so let's just hope for the best. Finally, I've completed my eye look. Now let's move on to kajal. For kajal, I'm going to use C Plum's I Swear by Kajal, and this is so pigmented and long lasting, and I love it so much. So I'm going to tight line my upper and lower waterline with this kajal. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to use this H Beauty Routines eyeliner. This is pretty good. It's pitch black and it has a slight shine which I like, so I thought of just using it today. So yeah. I'm gonna draw a thin winged eyeliner with this. So yeah, this is how the eyeliner looks like. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and then move on to mascara. So for that I'm using the Vegas eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes really well. For mascara I'm going to use the Essence Big Lashes mascara. It is pretty good in giving the volume to your eyelash. This mascara provides good volume to eyelashes and I like it so much. So this is how the mascara looks like. Now I'm going to apply false lashes. For that I'm going to try this Swiss Beauty false lashes for the first time and this is how it looks like. So I'll just apply this and I'll be right back. I'm back with eyelashes on, guys. So this is how the Swiss Beauty eyelashes looks like. It's pretty good for the price, but the separation of the lashes is not that even. So here you can see a bulge and yeah, this is even. So this side is perfect, only this one is okay. So yeah, this is fine for the video. So now let's just move on to bronzer, blush and highlight. So first for bronzer, I'm going to use this Sugar. It's a mini bronzer in the shade Tart Topper. So I'm going to take this pointed brush and apply it on the sides of my cheeks, on the jawline and on the sides of my nose slightly, not too much. Now let's move on to blush, and for that I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution blush and it's such a beautiful pink shade. I bought it recently in a sale and I'm really obsessed. Can you look at the pigmentation and the beautiful pink color? So I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and a tad bit on the center of my nose. Ooh, wow. Very slightly on the center of my nose. And now for highlighter, I'm going to use this Mars Wonder highlighter and it is my really favorite one because it is so subtle yet it looks so beautiful on the skin. It doesn't just enhance the texture and the shade is just, oh my god, the sparkling gold shade is just so good, right? So I'm gonna take this tiny fluffy brush and I'm gonna just take a slight bit and apply it on the cheekbone. And you see it has highlighted, but it is not too blinding, not too subtle. It is somewhere in between and it looks so good. And on the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna apply this same highlighter on my eyebrow bone very slightly. Now the last step is the lipstick. So yeah, now let's move on to the lipstick and my favorite step. So I'm gonna use this Belora Paris liquid lipstick and it's such a beautiful shade. So this is the shade Kiss Me More. So that's it for the makeup look, guys. So I'll just complete the entire look and I'll be right back. So this is my cute little Rakshabandhan look. I did not expect the outcome of this look would be so good, you guys. I loved it so much. The glitter liner and the bold lips just took up the look so well and it looks so gorgeous. The jewelries with the outfit match so well and I really like this look so much. If you do so, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below what more videos you want me to do next, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, if you kind of recreate this look, I would be really love to see those looks. So do share it if you like recreate this look. That's it, guys. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more skincare, haircare and makeup content. So until next time, bye.